Nasturtiums from seed to blooming. All year long, nasturtiums are the great protector of your garden. Nasturtiums are annuals that grow from seed and bloom and die after the first frost. The advantage of annuals is that they have a much longer bloom period in the summer than perennials. I have never had nasturtiums reseed themselves. However, they are extremely easy plant to grow. They will grow and fill large areas. Direct seed nasturtiums after the last frost as you would any other garden vegetables. They prefer full sun, well-drained garden soil. I've read that nasturtium leaves and seeds are edible, but I never have tried them. Nasturtiums will repel whiteflies, scorch bugs, aphids, cabbage loopers, and some beetles. This makes it a good companion plant for your vegetable garden. Many gardeners will put 2 nasturtium seeds in the same hill with cucumbers and melons. They are a good plant to plant around your strawberry bed, as mosquitoes often hide under the leaves waiting to attack you when you're out there picking strawberries. Because of their insect repellent properties, they are a good plant all over your garden. Hummingbirds are also attracted to nasturtiums.